Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting your instrument in tune and committing to a range. Tune to a equals 440 Hz or your ensemble pitch. Once done, map the exact notes for one octave. Make sure to choose whether you'll play every semitone ascending chromatically by finger position, fret, or key. You'll label each pitch as you go, natural, sharp, or flat, so you know which accidentals to use. Start playing slowly to confirm each half-step sounds, even and matches your intended temperament. Once you have the layout, establish reliable fingerings that produce even half steps. You want comfort across the whole span. You must choose in harmonic spellings, C sharp or D flat, based on harmonic context. This matters for readability and modulation. Practice with a metronome, starting slow and increasing tempo as accuracy improves. Make sure to vary articulation, legato, staccato, accents. This reveals uneven tuning or awkward finger positions. If using fretted instruments, check fretting pressure so pitches stay true. You finish by refining dynamics and alignment across the series of semitones. Record a run-through and listen critically. If one interval sounds off, isolate that spot and practice it slowly with focused repetitions. Make sure to retune or adjust temperament if systematic sharpness or flatness appears. Once corrected, rebuild speed gradually while maintaining evenness. One key troubleshooting tip: when a single pitch consistently misbehaves, change finger placement and attack subtly. You'll usually eliminate the issue within a few targeted repetitions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.